and welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, it has been over a month that I have filmed or uploaded to YouTube, and by the time you see this, there's probably be maybe 2 videos that I uploaded before this one. But I've just been so busy with a lot of work, really. Work for Instagram and just all around life. But I did this look, and I filmed it for Instagram, and I figured, you know what, let me share it with my YouTube family and get back in it. Sometimes we need to take a break, and that's what I did. I needed to take a break because I was feeling very overwhelmed with a lot of work and a lot of stuff. So I was like, let me step back a minute, take a break, and now I'm back. So I hope that you guys missed me a little bit, and if you did, please leave me a comment, let me know. But let's go ahead and get started with this look.
They said to wait for the right time, and I think tonight might just be right. I know you want to do it too, so bring your courage, there's no rules. Don't be scared, just trust me, take my hand any minute now. Get ready to smile. And I just wanna see the colors and rainbows, 'cause we just wanna be in this dream forever. Just in this dream forever. Just forever. Just in this dream forever. Now that you're knee deep in this vice, just enjoy, take my advice. You say that you love it and you're okay, but I know better and you're afraid. Have no shame, just let go, follow me to another land. Try to understand, and I just wanna see the colors and rainbows, 'cause we just wanna be in this dream forever. Just in this dream forever.
Hope you enjoyed that little, it was a quick tutorial. I didn't want to make it too long, so that way you guys can just get into the nitty-gritty of the look. And basically it was more detailed to the eyes, so that's why I concentrated on that, and I didn't do, you know, my usual. But everything that I have on my face, I would definitely list it down below. I love this look using the James Charles palette. This week that I'm using this palette, it's like a 1 week palette challenge type thing that a friend of mine is doing on Instagram. So this is my second look because I missed Monday by mistake. I missed Monday because I forgot that it was this week. But I definitely went Tuesday all the way through Friday doing the look on my hair. Look at my hair. This is actually a wig. I'll list it down below. It is gorgeous. from Hairdo. This is called Hoop. It's an invisible extension, and basically it has like a little wire that you put your hair over it and it goes around. It's a plastic wire, so don't think of anything. And it is super long. I can't see how many inches it is because you know I am blind, but I would definitely if I find it I will list it down below. Other than that, that is the only thing different that I'm testing out today for them. They sent me that. I have a few wigs from them, which I love. I have extensions, wigs, and now this nice little invisible extension, which is very comfortable and it stays in place. Anyway, guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to hit like. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell so you're notified when I upload next. Other than that, I hope you guys have been having a great month. If you haven't, chin up. Things will get better. Just have faith and be positive. Take care.